Alright guys, Riley here with T-Storm Chasers, back here for another weather video. Alright guys. Alright, so let's dive into this. So let's take a look at the current radar picture, and as you can see, clear skies across the Sioux Falls area. However, if we go out west here, as you can see towards the Missouri River Valley, we have some rain going on here from Miller down to Chamberlain, down to Platte, down to Wagner. We had a line of thunderstorms earlier today. Out in western South Dakota, we had some thunderstorms, and that progressed east and eventually made its way towards Martin and White River, Rosebud areas. Had some thunderstorms, and then through the winter area and Valentine. And now that activity mainly down in Nebraska there, about to enter O'Neill. We had a severe thunderstorm warning on this earlier, as you can see there, but that was allowed to expire. So that's good news there. But we did have a little bit of severe weather today across the region, across south central South Dakota into north central Nebraska. But that's since subsided. There is a severe thunderstorm warning, however, down for North Platte. And a radar indicated there 60-mile-an-hour wind, 1-inch hail there. Moving east at 30. These are slow movers. These storms are moving. These storms in Nebraska tonight are not moving fast at all, moving about 20 to 30 miles per hour. And this rain will eventually make its way towards Sioux Falls, but it'll just be light to moderate rain. And this is really going to fall apart really as it makes its way towards the Sioux Falls area. And we'll get to the model runs here in just a minute. I wanted to go ahead and look at the temperature map here across the region. We got temps in the... Really today we made it into the 70s in a lot of areas today. But currently we got 66 in Sioux Falls, 68 in Worthington. We got 68 in Marshall, 68 in Brookings, 68 in Huron, 68 in Watertown, 63 up in Aberdeen, 59 up in Mulbridge. We got 63 out in Phillip, and as you can see out west, quite a bit cooler. We got temps in the 50s across much of this area. Black Hills in the low 50s, Rapid City coming in at 57. So those are some of the temps across the region. We do have 70 degrees down in Yankton as well as Sioux City. Also in O'Neill, Nebraska. And we got some nice, pleasant weather this evening. And overnight, though, we will see some rain across the area. And let me get to that here in just a moment. That is a look there. And let me go ahead and look at the model run here for you. Let me just run this out here. If it'll load. Now we're trying to get the model here. Let me see if I can get this. But in any event, we're trying to show you. There we go. So there's your rain/thunderstorms across the area. And this will continue to slowly move east. And then as we go here towards midnight, kind of that. Now this is a very bullish model run. This is not really what it's going to look like. This is a very bullish look. Really just think of it as rain. Really just some rain showers moving through the area. 1 o'clock, 2 a.m. across the Sioux Falls, Mitchell areas there at around really after midnight towards the overnight hours. And then that will continue to break up and move east, and towards the morning hours, maybe some more rain developing, maybe in the Sioux Falls, southeastern South Dakota areas there, Beresford, Yankton, Sioux City there. Maybe some redeveloping showers and light thunder showers possibly. And then towards the morning hours there, that will clear on out. And by 10 a.m., should be mostly cleared out in the Sioux Falls area. However, we get towards the afternoon, and as you can see, we have some redevelopment, mainly along I-29 there, from Sioux Falls all the way through Brookings, Watertown, Sisseton areas there. by 1 o'clock. And by 2 o'clock, really these thunderstorms will be redeveloping and making its way east. Now let me go ahead and pull up another look here. See if I can pull that up here. Yeah. Let's see here. Basically, we're going to take a look at another model run here and see what we can see. Let's see here. Second here. But basically, overnight, we got that rain, and that will move east and break up, and then again more redevelopment tomorrow afternoon is kind of the theme of the story. So for those of you wondering about the next chance of moisture, it's kind of what we're looking at here. Again, for Sioux Falls area tonight, a little bit of tonight into tomorrow. I'm trying to pull that up here. Different model run here. Let me see if I can get this for everybody. There we go. We're getting it. Alright, so let's go ahead and run this out for you. So again, here's another look. Tonight we got that rain and thunderstorm mix kind of march east towards the Sioux Falls area, and then that will clear out there by the morning. And then towards the afternoon, we'll look for that stuff to redevelop. Kind of right in there. Maybe possibly some more redevelopment in the afternoon. And then maybe Wednesday night as well. Maybe another little round of rain/thunderstorms. And then things will clear out, and we're going to get a break for a while. We're not looking at any big-time moisture for the foreseeable future, really after tomorrow. Really not looking at a lot at all in terms of moisture. So really just get through tomorrow and things are going to start to dry out. We're going to have temps in the 70s across much of the region for the next several days. Here's another look here at the model run. And see this here. So here's another look at things. You got that band of rain there, and that will clear out. And then tomorrow afternoon there, maybe some redevelopment around the Sioux Falls area. We'll see. Southwest Minnesota, northwest Iowa possibly as well. And then that will move east, like I said. And then maybe something Friday afternoon in north central South Dakota, but really not looking at a whole lot there. And that will make its way out of the region, and really not looking at a whole lot of moisture. Maybe towards Sunday afternoon there, possibly, but again, we'll continue to watch it, but really take that with a grain of salt. That's a model run. That's not a true depiction of what's to come, but really what we're looking at is just dry, warm air with temps in the 70s returning, and sunshine. A lot more sunshine will be on its way for much of our area, so get used to 70s and sunshine. If you like that kind of weather, you will like this forecast for the next several days. Really through the 10-day, we're not really seeing a whole lot of moisture, and in fact I can go ahead and bring that up. Actually, let me bring up the 10-day forecast here for everybody while we got everybody here. But again, those thunderstorms are in north central Nebraska right now, and those will continue to march east, but they're not moving very fast. They're moving about 20 to 30 miles per hour. So really, it's going to, if it even gets to Sioux Falls, it's going to be a while. It's going to be overnight after midnight across the Sioux Falls area. And again, we've noticed the trend. These storms have died out, not looking at a whole lot These storms are kind of fizzling out at this point. They are now below severe limits, as we showed earlier on the radar. And yeah, these storms are going to continue to make its way east, but they're going to continue to die out as they make its way to the east. And the wind forecast for the next few days, not a whole lot of wind. Not really looking at anything dramatic or too strong. And let me go ahead and pull up the 10-day for everybody here. There we go. Right. Okay. And pulling up the 10-day here for everyone here. Alright, so here we go. So concluding, this is our look at our 10-day forecast. This will be updated tonight, and we'll have that out for you guys tomorrow morning, first thing tomorrow morning. So be sure to stay updated on that, as that will be coming out tomorrow morning. But take a look here. Pretty much showing the same story. We got we got that chance of rain/thunderstorms tomorrow across the Sioux Falls area, and with temps in the low 70s. Overnight lows also will be in the low to mid 50s as well. And then starting on Thursday, we're warming up. We're going to warm up to the low to mid 70s, and then by Saturday, temps into the 80s. So if you like 80-degree weather, 80-degree weather will be returning once again. And temps in the low 70s by Sunday and Monday. We're going to cool it off a little bit from the 80s, but we're getting to that time of the year too where the temps are only going to warm from here. So it's only going to get warmer. So if you like warmer weather, just be patient. You're going to like this weekend, and if you like even more warmer weather, there will be more warm weather on the way. Again, as you can see there, drier conditions and maybe a slight chance of rain on next Tuesday, but again, not looking at anything super substantial. So that's the latest here. That is an update here from the T-Storm Chasers. Again, we got the live weather channel. You guys go ahead on YouTube and go check that out. Again, it's on our YouTube page. We got a lot of other stuff. We got the bus stop forecast out every morning, as well as the daily 10-day post as well every morning. And again, we'll continue to have updates as we get them. And that's the latest for now. And you all have a wonderful night. Stay safe.